So this is Sigma 18-50 f2.8. So if you ask me, I think this is one of the most widely used lenses for Sony E-mount cameras. I mean, out of 5 shooters in my friends, 4 of them owns this exact lens. And honestly, I think I get it. It is small, lightweight, and it goes from wide to telephoto instantly. I mean, there are more advantages than disadvantages with this lens. But after using it for over 2 years, I found its one disadvantage. And that is this, the 55mm filter thread. So if you are into videography, you probably thought about buying an anti-filter right now. And if you still don't know about it, think of it like a sunglasses to your camera lenses. I mean, it will let you lock into the shutter speeds of 1/48th of a second to get that cinematic, filmy look with natural motion blur. I mean, without it, your outdoor scenes look something like this. Now, here's the main problem with this lens. I mean, almost every lens out there has a filter thread between 67mm to 95mm. And this one being this small, it only has 55mm filter thread. So finding a 55mm ND filter for this lens is like finding an S-size pants to a fully grown man. I mean, it is nearly impossible. And even if they exist, they cost like a fortune to get it. And then one day, I have found this, a VND filter from Neewer on Amazon. 55mm filter thread size, a perfect fit for my lens. And it is not just any regular ND filter. It is a VND filter with CPL filter built in. I mean, it is like 2 filters in one glass. And the biggest catch is that on Amazon India, it costs around 12,000 rupees to get it. But since I always hunt for better deals across various websites, I have found the same product on Desertcart for over 5,000 rupees. And since I had a pro account at that time, they just gave me a coupon to apply. So with all those coupons applied, the price was slashed to 4,300 only. So I ordered it instantly, and here it is right in my hands. So let's do some quick unboxing to see what's inside in it, shall we? So inside this box, you'll get to see a cleaning cloth, a user manual, and then the lens itself neatly packed in this plastic packaging. I mean, the filter is just tiny and it is just like my lens. So look at that, it is perfect fit for my lens. So with that covered, let's do some quick testing with it, shall we? So since it is a variable ND filter, you can adjust the light intake anywhere between ND3 to ND64. So that's around 1.5 to 6 stops of light reduction. So in order to enable the ND filter, all you need to do is just turn the knob to dial in the ND levels you want, and once you set it, lock the knob. That's it. And as for the CPL, rotate the entire filter clockwise. So that will enable the CPL filter for you. As simple as that. So the CPL filter actually cuts off the reflection and makes the colors and details pop out just like this. And one important thing, lock the ND filter knob before rotating the CPL. Otherwise, you'll accidentally change the ND levels while shooting. So here's some real world footage I captured with this filter on my lens. And here are those same scenes without the ND filter and with the same settings. So at 4,300, I think it is a steal deal. But before I signing off, let me just tell you why I exactly choose this or something like HNY Revo. So right now, the Sigma 18-50 is the only lens I own with the 55mm filter thread. So if I upgrade it to something like Sigma 17-40 or Sigma f1.4 primes in the future, those will fall under 67mm category. So spending big amount on a 55mm filter thread doesn't make any sense to my kit right now. Because honestly speaking, 55mm filter thread size lens are very rare. So at this price point and for this specific lens, the Neewer filter is the smartest purchase you can make. So when I move to primes, I'll get the Revo then. And also, I have found this on Desertcart. not on Amazon. I mean, I already made a full video on how to buy smartly from there. So I'll add the links in the description down below. So please check it out. And if you are someone who wants to buy tech without overpaying, that's exactly what this channel is all about. So subscribe to my channel for more amazing tech content like this.